table. So if we can grab
Yeah,
a
I know.
boat here.
It is.
This is the Prairie Schooner Farm Wagon.
The school is not what's keeping me from that.
Yeah.
The check on the red which is twice as many as the check I was ready to teaching.
Oh yeah.
Down here.
I'm not opposed to paying.
When I was there, it was more than you. I was too bad. I was like, okay, this is cheaper.
Yeah, we have some good friends. What year did you want Amy?
I was with Jerry.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what when Haley. She's the one who went to Hawaii, right?
Yeah.
I remember her dad saying
No.
she did. But when she was going to Hawaii, we know their family. I remember her dad saying, "Oh, it's cheaper to send Haley to the University of Hawaii than to send her to America."
We can have everybody come on over this way, divide up into groups, and get started.
This is how they would have done it. Go over.
Alright, here goes the wagon. Okay, ready to go?
Yeah.
30. There are
Hello, my name's Scott. Welcome to Dorris
may not all
Ranch.
be here.
Today we're going to be basically breaking up into two groups. We're taking half over to the plank house. Me and then John's going to do the show you the pioneer cabin and the trapper's cabin. What we do here at Dorris Ranch is in the spring and the fall, kids come out here on field trips, and they actually participate in the program through hands-on history. When they come out here, for instance, they first come up to the cabin, they get dressed up in pioneer clothes, and they do all kinds of different tours. And John will explain all that about the pioneer stuff. And then what we just added, as part of the new grant, we built this nice plank house here to be able to do the Native American stuff. Before we just would spread out mats and we just did it up in the open air. But of course, in the spring and the fall, it's still raining. So this now we have a great place the kids can be dry inside a nice historic structure. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to split up into two groups, and I'll take half, and we'll go over there and talk about that.
Yeah, we're doing last names A through K over here first.
There, and then
L through Z.
Z is going up there.
Switch.
About 25 minutes.
I think you can keep pulling a little more. There's still some more.
So you're Emily?
Yes.
So you get the chance to talk